Hey, what's up? Samuel Leeds here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you my advice if you're looking to set up a property business. If you want to set up a buy-to-let investing business, these are the things that you need to consider. So what are the things that you need to do to set up a buy-to-let property business? Well, firstly, who the heck am I? I'm Samuel Leeds. I'm the best-selling author of both these books, Buy Low, Rent High, also financially free in 7 days. So if you haven't read those, check them out. What are the things you need to do? First thing is you need to have a goal. You need to have a business plan. Any business needs a business plan. So many people say, I want to be a property entrepreneur. I want to invest in property. They've got no business plan. They don't know where they want to invest. They don't know what they want to achieve from investing. They have no idea. So get a pen and paper, even if you just start by writing down the why. You know, why do you want to do property? What are you hoping to achieve from property investing? Here's what I'd say. First thing is have an outcome. So the outcome might be more far away. So in 12 months time, the outcome is that I am making £3,000 a month, which enables me to quit my job. That's the outcome. Then when you've got the outcome, I would advise then writing down the activity. So the activity that you need to do to make that outcome a reality. And also don't put the activity down for the year. Don't say the activity is I need to do, over the next 12 months I need to do this, this, and this, and this. No, write down the activity over the next 2 weeks. So the outcome for the year and the activity that I need to start to make this happen and to build the momentum in the next 2 weeks. Because otherwise, it's like lastminute.com. If you've got something to do, or if it's Christmas and you need to get the shopping, you always go out on like the 21st of December and do it. In the same, if you've got a 12-month goal, you'll relax and who cares, I'll get to it later. You'll be procrastinating, putting things off. 2 weeks, not even a goal, the activity that you need to take. Maybe that'll be, I need to go to these networking events, I need to view this many houses, I need to put in this many offers, I need to introduce myself to the local estate agent. This is the kind of activity that you need to make in the next 2 weeks. Really important, that is number one. Have a business plan, have a goal, and have your planned activity. Next, number 2, power team. Start putting your power team together, and the great thing is when you have your business plan and you have your goal, you can tell your members of the power team what your business plan is and see how they fit with that. So go to your local estate agent and say, hey, my plan is I want to buy 3 houses in the next 12 months and I want to view 10 houses in the next 2 weeks that are this kind of house. Can you help me? Speak to an accountant. Say, hey, this is my plan. This is my business plan, my short business plan. Don't spend 3 months writing your business plan. You can bang it out right now today. But this is my business plan. Can you help me? Speak to a solicitor. Speak to a management company. Start speaking to people. Speak to a mentor, and say, this is my business plan, and start building your power team, who are the people that are going to support and make it happen in your business plan. Number 3, view lots of properties. I always say, the person who views the most houses wins. So just start viewing houses, and you might think, I'm not ready to view houses. I'm not ready. I need to get my business plan more accurate. I need to spend a few years on that first, or I need to, get my mortgage in principle. No, just start viewing houses. When you start viewing houses, things just start to happen. Next thing is you then start putting offers in. If you view a house and then put an offer in, and then the estate agent says offer accepted, we need your mortgage in principle, you'll get your mortgage in principle in the next 10 minutes because you have no choices. Oh my gosh, you need to get it done fast, urgent. Whereas if you go, I'll get my mortgage in principle and then I'll go view houses. It can take forever. So just take lots of massive action and start viewing houses, because ultimately, if you want to build a buy-to-let business, that's going to come from houses. Even if you don't put any offers in, just go to auctions, go and sit with estate agents, ask them what's around, start viewing houses, do it as a hobby. A lot of my success students that have become very wealthy in property, they said that instead of playing on the Xbox or watching box sets, they just started viewing houses instead. Take your missus, have it as a date, just view houses. Number 4, I'm really reluctant to say this one, it is important, but I know that this is the one that you'll want to do the most, and this is the one that you'll put all the others off to do this one. So do this, important, but don't stop doing the others. But this one is, you should at some point have business cards, a website, and flyers. Where do you get these from? You can set up a website really quickly, really cheaply on Wix.com. You don't need a fancy site, you just need a site. So that when you go to an estate agent and you put forward an offer, or you're speaking to people who are networking and they say, well, who are you? You can say, look, I'm actually Samuel Leeds. Here's my card. It looks professional. On the card, there's a website. They go onto the website. It just makes you look more professional. If you're wanting to do business with people, people will just take you more seriously. Now, you don't need a business card or a website or flyers in order to make money, but it just helps when you have a business. People expect you, if you see yourself as a professional property business person, you need a website. You need a business cards. Very simple. Don't spend more than £75 on the website, and don't spend more than maybe £100 getting your first batch of cards. You don't need 2,000 business cards. You just need a few hundred. Hand them out sparingly. Don't just dish them out. Don't go to networking events and go, here you go, have my card, and spam everybody. No, instead collect other people's cards and then put them on your list and grow your list, and just have them ready when you need to introduce yourself properly, but don't spam people. The flyers, when I say a flyer, it's like a leaflet. You shouldn't be giving that out to everybody. The flyer is if you see a property, maybe it's got 2 boards outside it. It's with Dixon's and also with Jamin, and you think, they've got 2 boards outside. The property looks like it needs a bit of a refurb. I've got a feeling that they're motivated. Close to my house, you can just pop a flyer or a leaflet through the door. When you're driving around, you see something interesting, you see an interesting property, get it out, put it through the door, keep the leaflets in your dashboard. So just helps you as a business person, makes you more professional, and it will ultimately help people give you more leads and deals. Lastly, number 5, get the training. Get the training. Like, people say, Samuel, you only go on about the training because you run training. No. Don't get it twisted, it's the other way around. I only run training because I know how important it is that training exists. So if you want to be a doctor, you've got to get the training and you've got to get qualified. If you want to be a hairdresser, a plumber, any professional, you've got to get the training. Same with property investment. The sad thing is that a lot of property investors, they have no training because you don't have to have training to get a qualification to invest in property, to have a buy-to-let business. You don't have to, but if you don't, you'll lose tens, maybe hundreds of thousands of pounds, and you'll leave money on the table, and you'll potentially get burned and look stupid. So just attend the class. We run a training company, come down. Get the experience from other people. Don't make the mistakes yourself, get the experience from other people. I think the most important thing to invest in before you invest in property is to invest in yourself, because once you've got the right kind of knowledge and you know how to stack a deal and you know how to find it, so just get training. I invest in myself today. I've spent £264,000 in the last 12 months on my training. So I really believe in training, because the bigger you grow, the bigger your capacity is to make more money and hold more money. So get the training. So to summarize, have a business plan, set up a power team, view lots of houses and make lots of offers, get a website and business cards, and get the training and invest in yourself. If you do these 5 things, your buy-to-let property business will blow up in the next 12 months, and I can't wait to see you succeeding. If you've had any successes from property as a result of my training or these YouTube videos, please do let me know, because who knows, we could bring you on Winners on a Wednesday. Every week we have success stories. Also, don't forget to read the books, Buy Low, Rent High. These books, financially free in 7 days. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. It will serve you well. So comment below. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time.